Hi, friends. I'm Teddy, and today we're going to use coding to play with numbers. Let's start by counting from 1 to 10 with a magical Python code. This code example. Let's add 3 and 5 together. We can use variables to make it easy. Look. The answer is 8. Can you try adding 2 other numbers? What's 7 plus 2? Let's count down for a rocket launch. Python can help us count backward too. Let's count backward together, 10 to 1. Ready? Go! Teddy places baskets of apples on a table, each basket holding 2 apples. The Python code multiplies the numbers. If we have 3 baskets with 2 apples each, how many apples do we have? Let's use a loop to figure it out. Code example. The answer is 6. Math and coding make a great team. Can you think of other ways to use loops to multiply numbers?
And back again, coding and counting are our friends.
Did you know we can draw with Python? Let's make a star, give it a try. Can you change the size of the star, or even make a different shape? Let's see your creativity. It's quiz time. Let's use Python to check if your answer is correct. Can you answer the question? Try it yourself. You've done amazing today. Numbers and coding are so much fun. Keep practicing, and we'll learn even more together. Let's finish with a dance. Can you dance along as we celebrate your coding skills?